Tabarĩra ĩno ĩhũthĩrĩte mũigana wa milioni 15 iria ĩtanyĩte kũguna mbeũ njĩthĩ makĩria ya 1,000 guthondeka mawĩra mũno makĩria hĩndĩ ĩno aingĩ ao magũmĩirwo nĩ wagi wa mawĩra.
One of the things the president is very clear on is that we must create jobs for our young people. We must create opportunities for them to showcase also the things that they are capable of doing. And really in today's launch, one of the things that we've been able to see is that great sort of innovation and the great talent that our young people actually have in this country.
Akiaria hingo ya uthunduri uyu, Minister wa Ukinyanĩria Joe Musheru nĩoigĩte atĩ mbeũ njĩthĩ matirĩrĩhaga gũtũmĩra indo iria cirĩ gũkũ kuona nĩ cia gũkuria taranda ciao.
Film Hub provides the opportunities for animations, for virtual reality and for film. And I want to challenge the young people in Nyeri and all over that can use this facility to come and exercise their skills and start developing products not just for overseas but also for local companies.
Vice Chancellor wa thukuru wa Dedan Kimathi University Professor Dirago Kioni akiuga atĩ thukuru nĩ kuoya arutwo a mbere nĩguo mũtaratara ũcio ũtuĩke wa kũgacĩra.
The university has already developed a special program for people in startups. This is an entrepreneurship program, and the students will be here, or the people who will be operating here will be helped so that they can improve on their skills. And we are also, in support of the Film Hub, developing a specific program on gaming, animation, and gaming and animation generally, but film making. Governor wa Nyeri Mutahikaiga uria gwekinyitie ni oririe ruhonge ruru ruteithiririe kuriukia horo cia thenema na agathiriria mutaratara uyu na njira nene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma county ya Nyeri, njitagwo Wahu wa Ngugi.